There was a boy who always said, "Someday, someday I'll make my parents proud. Someday I'll follow my dreams. Someday I'll become someone." But he didn't know someday is the most dangerous lie we tell ourselves.
His name was Arif. He lived in a small village, not rich, not poor, just surviving. His father worked day and night, hands rough, eyes tired, but always smiling. His mother, she never bought new clothes for herself, but somehow Arif always had everything. Every night, his father would say, "Study hard, son, so you don't live like me." And Arif would nod, but deep inside, he always thought, "I still have time."
Days passed. Arif started spending more time on his phone, on meaningless things, on later. Whenever his mother called,
"Son, your exams are near."
"I'll do it later."
whenever his father asked, "How was your study today?"
"Good. Don't worry."
But that was a lie. He wasn't preparing for his future. He was escaping it. One day, his father came home early, not smiling, not talking, just silent. That night, Arif heard something. His mother crying. The doctor said,
"He needs rest."
but rest was a luxury they couldn't afford. The next morning, his father still went to work.
That evening, Arif got a call that changed everything. His father collapsed at work. When Arif reached the hospital, he saw something he never imagined. The strongest man he knew was lying weak, silent, still. His father slowly opened his eyes, held Arif's hand, and said, "I just wanted you to live a better life than mine, and I thought I had more time." Those words hit Arif like a storm, because he had been saying the same thing. I have more time. But time was already gone. After that day, Arif changed. No more excuses, no more later, no more wasting life. He studied, not because he had to, but because he finally understood. Time doesn't wait for anyone.
Years passed. Arif became successful. He built the life his father dreamed of. But every achievement came with a silent pain, because the one person who deserved to see it most was no longer there. We all think we have time to fix things, time to chase dreams, time to say, "I love you." But the truth is, time is not promised. So don't wait. Start today. Call your parents. Work on your dreams. Because one day, someday, becomes too late.